wala pa akong water bucket. This is my first tweezer, so i-keep ko na to. Okay, so since na-keep ko na yan, yung next player ulit ang bubunot. Okay, so for example, turn ko na ulit and I will get another slot. So kahit saang slot, pwede kayong kumuha, pero pa isa-isa lang. And kumuha ulit ako. This one is a wrench. So wala pa ako ulit wrench, so that means I get the chance to keep this wrench. Okay? So, example lang. Nandiyan yan nakalagay and then I decided na kunin ito. And then, pag nakuha ko is another wrench. Since kanina nakakuha na tayo ng wrench, that means na doble na yung wrench natin. Ang mangyayari doon is ibabalik mo yan randomly kung saan mo siya gusto ilagay. Not necessarily kung saan mo siya nakuha. Okay? So, ang pinaka-essence doon, dapat hindi makita ng ibang players kung saan mo ibabalik yung wrench na yon. But, just in case, ang makuha mo is yung may kidlat, yan, may thunder, ibig sabihin niyan, you lose a turn. Itong pinaka-goal lang niya is yung may pinakamaraming tools na may ipon, of course, siya ang panalo.